Do you want to install apps directly from the Google Play Store into your Windows 10 Pro, just like your phone? Yes, it's totally possible. In this video, I'm going to show you the proper way to get your Play Store fully working on your PC in 2025. No sketchy third-party tools, no confusing tech, just a clean and step-by-step guide. So grab a cup of coffee and just let's get started. Trust me, by the end of this video, your PC will be running Android apps like a champ. Step 1. Turn on virtual machine platform. Alright, first thing first, your PC needs to port virtualization. Click on the Windows search bar and type Windows Pager. From the list that pops up, open it. Now you'll see a long list of Windows features. Scroll down until you find Virtual Machine Platform. Once you spot it, click the checks next to it and click OK. Windows will install the required components. Just wait a moment. Once it's done, you will see a prompt to restart your computer. Click Restart Now to apply the changes. Quick tip: if you don't see the option or get any errors, make sure virtualization is enabled in your BIOS settings. Step 2. Enable developer mode on Windows. Once you're back from the restart, you back to the search bar again and type developer settings. Click on it and look for developer mode toggle. Turn it on and when prompted, click yes to confirm. This allows your system to sideload apps and give us the flexibility we need to install Android component like WSA. Step 3. Download WSA Play Store built-in. Now for the main ingredient USA, also known as Windows subsystem for Android with Play Store support. Open any browser like Chrome, Edge, whatever you like, and search for WSA builds. Click on the first page and that appears. Make sure it's a trusted source like GitHub or developer site. On the page, scroll down and find the section that says Download latest stable builds Windows 10. Click that. You will be redirected to another page. Scroll down again until you see the assets section. Here, you will find multiple WSA files. Click on the first download link. The files is pretty large. So depending on your internet speed, it might take you a few minutes to finish downloading. Pro tip: make sure your PC has enough storage space, at least 2 to 3 GB free to handle the download and installation. Step 4. Extract and install WSA on your PC. Once the download is complete, open the downloads folder. Find the zip file, right-click on it and choose Extract All. Choose the folder location or leave it as it is, then click Extract again. After a few seconds, the files will be ready. Now go into the extracted folder and look for a file name Run. It might be labeled run.bat or something similar. Double click on it. If you get a Windows security pop-up, click More Info, then Run anyway. This step opens a PowerShell Windows and begins installing WSA with the Play Store built-in. If you are prompted for permissions, just click Continue or Yes. Then give it a moment. Your PC is now setting up Android support behind the scenes. Step 5. Launch Google Play Store and sign in. Once the setup is complete, something awesome will happen. The Google Play Store will pop up automatically. Now, all you have to do is sign in with your Google account just like you would on an Android phone. After logging in, you are free to explore the Play Store. Search for any apps and install it straight to your Windows 10 Pro system. After logging in, you are free to explore. You can run games, tools, social media apps, pretty much everything that works on Android. And just like that, you have turned your PC into an Android powerhouse. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button. It really supports the channel.